Hi everyone, now the client is through. So see what happens here? He's a brand new man, going home to his family. I'm sure they will not recognize him. This is what you can do for your clients. See that? Everything is fixed, everything is beautiful, or one consistency. All the air pockets I took out and I fixed. This is what we will teach you at Roni's Artistic Hands Seminar. Take our seminar. See what trade show we are at and register for our classes. We will teach you how to better your best. This is Loc Restoration. We'll teach you how to restore the locks back to its original state. 678-365-7166. Bye now.